Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at our dollhouse that we made from cardboard. Here is living room colored with bright orange color. This nice sofa is attraction of the room. It is made from cardboard. This flat screen TV is mounted on the wall. This side table is made of matchbox. It has two drawers. These are two frames hanging on the wall.
This is our kitchen in which we have a bright red colored refrigerator. This is kitchen table. Cooking stove is mounted on it. This is oven and some storage. This is bedroom. This side table is made from bottle cap. This is a bed with two golden pillows. This is a cupboard made from cardboard.
This is a bathroom. This is a washing machine. Commode is kept at corner. And these are stairs.
Thank you for watching.